Damage of concrete floors by forklifts is a common problem. But how does it happen? Most people think forklifts damage floors because they carry heavy loads. But that's not true. The main reason of forklifts damaging the floor is hardness of the forks. Let's take a pause here and understand the concept of material hardness. We have all learnt in school that harder material scratches the softer material. For example, an apple might be heavier than a knife. But a knife can scratch and even cut an apple, but not the other way around, because a knife is harder than apple. Similarly, diamond is the hardest substance known and cannot be scratched by any other element. This phenomena was used by Friedrich Mohs to develop Mohs scale, the scale for hardness. Mohs scale ranges from 1 to 10, where 1 means the softest and 10 means the hardest, which is diamond, we discussed earlier. Now coming back to forklifts and factory floors. The Mohs scale for forklifts is 3.5, and that of normal concrete floors is only between 1.5 to 3. Oh no! So what to do? Odus Flooring Treatment can help it gets absorbed in concrete surface to increase the hardness of its topmost layer. Because that's where the forklifts act, right? Now the Mohs scale of the topmost layer gets increased to somewhere between 4.5 to 6.5, which is much more than Mohs scale of forklifts. So now forklifts are no longer able to damage the floor, and it is protected against scratches and future damage.
Hope this was helpful. For more such information on industrial maintenance, visit our website reservate.com. And if you need any help with floor maintenance in factories or warehouses, call us on our toll-free number, 1-800-890-0489.